Okay, welcome guys to the first episode of Mathematical Roots, where I will be tutoring you on some of the problems in mathematical roots. So if you've got any queries or any comments, just comment in the comment box below, then I will attend you very soon. So now I want us to look at the first topic that I will be dealing with in this first episode. I will be dealing with conversions. Please forgive my background and each and everything, but next time I'll make sure that it becomes clearer and clearer, because I'm in a hurry now, because people will be writing a test very soon, so that I can help you guys get. I hope you understand. Okay, now first of all, I want us to look at, we are looking at mathematical roots, right? So now we will be looking at the first topic. Our first topic is what? Is conversions. So now in conversions, I want us to look at the first part. So it is divided into, I can say it is divided into two parts, right? So now I want us to look at when converting from a bigger base, and then to a smaller base, right? So that's the first step that I want us to do there. Okay, now looking at this, the way that I will do it, when we are taking a bigger base to a smaller base, we divide them, right? So there is, you don't have to be scared or something there, you just divide there. So the method that I will be using is the remainder method. Most of you may be familiar with the method, so it is the remainder method. So then this is my example, then where I will be explaining how do we use this remainder method. So now the question says convert 100 base 10 to base 2, right? So you draw your columns there, and then the number that you'll be converting, make sure that you put it in the middle, right? And then at the end, this side at the end here, make sure that you put the R. This is where you're going to have your answer, so you can write an answer at the end there, right? This is where you're going to have your answer. So these are the remainders, right? So now you will take your calculator. Okay, in this case I have my calculator. So what are we dividing? We are dividing what? 100 by what? We are taking it to base 2, so clearly we must divide by 2. So I'll write my 2's there where I will be dividing, right? Okay, I'll just write the ray for now. Okay, now what you are going to do now, you are going to say 100 divided by 2. What you get? Clearly it's 50 there, as you can see. So now because it is 50, you just put it down, you write your 50 there, you put your 50, and then as you can see, we don't have a decimal number, like we don't have 50 comma something. So this tells us that 2 goes into 50 times, and it does not have any remainders. So if the number has got the remainders, you are going to see by decimals, right? So because now it does not have any remainders, you are just going to put 0 there. All right, so now you continue with the same procedure until we go down. Okay, let's continue. So now you have got what? 50. That 50 divided by 2. So 50 divided by 2 is what? 25. And then it is not a decimal number, it's just 25. So it means that we have what? 25. You put your 25 down. Because we don't have any decimals, it means that we don't have remainders. Remember that. So it means that here we put what? 0. I hope you're still with me. So now as we are continuing, you will say what? You will say 25 divide by 0. No, not 0. Okay, not 0. Divide by 2. Okay, cool. Clearly it gives you 12,5. So it means that now we have got the remainder now. Alright, so but now the first thing that you do, because now you see that you have a remainder, you must write the whole number. The whole number is 12 there. You put your 12 down. But now we don't know how much is the remainder. right? So for now, for us to be able to get the remainder that is there, right, let me just put my calculator here, right? Oh, okay, maybe this side. Okay, now for us to be able to get the remainder that is there, we will say 12, the whole number that we have, multiplied by the divider, the number that we've been dividing with, right? Multiply by 2 is 24, right? And then you are going to say what? That 24, you are going to subtract the 24 from the 25. Clearly, when you say 25 minus 24, you are going to get the answer of 1, right? So it means that that's your remainder there. So now you keep on continuing. You've got 12 now. You divide by what? Divide by 2. When you divide by 2, you get 6, right? Remainder 0. It means that you don't have anything. So then now moving on, you've got 6 divided by 2. You've got what? 3. 3, right? Put your 2 there. 3 means that you don't have any remainder there, right? So now clearly it gives us that we are left with 3, but then now 2 can still go into 3, so we can say 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, it's what? It's 1. It's 1,5. So clearly it means that we have got what? We have got a remainder there. So now what you do, you put what? You put your whole number down. After putting your whole number down, you do the same, the multiplication trick. So you'll say 2 times 1, you get 2, and then you'll subtract 2, the 2 there, the 2 there, 2 from the 3. So when you subtract there, you get 1. But now we are left with a number that is what? It's smaller than 2, right? So clearly 2 cannot go into 1. So what we are going to do is to what? We are going to drag this number and put it there, right? And then that concludes what you'll be dividing. That concludes your conversion of 100 base 10 to base 2. So now when you get your answer, you read it going upwards. This is your answer now, because you are done, because 2 can no longer go into 1. So now your answer is what? It's 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1, okay, base 2. And then that concludes it, and that's how you do it, the way that you will be converting the numbers there. So we can look at other examples. So check the next video. I'll be doing the other examples on how do we convert the number in base 10 to a number that is in a smaller base. So here I was just using base 2, so that was my example. So now if you've got any questions, just comment in the comment box below. Comment box below, right? Just comment below. Then I will be happy if you leave your comment there. Then you tell me what you think about the video. If you want to clarify some of the mistakes that I made, but I'm sure that there are no mistakes here. But then just comment on where you need help. Maybe a question will do, then I can solve it in my next video. Just check the next video, it's upcoming there. Thank you guys for watching. So we'll keep on helping one another. We are brothers and sisters. So thank you guys for watching.